Welcome to Mirrorly. Today we'll sign up and set up a Hyperliquid copy trader. Firstly, we'll log in. We can use an email or our wallet for this. I'll choose my wallet here. Now I'll sign the message. I'll add a username. You can also optionally add your email here. I'll verify my account with the code I got in my email, which, if you only used your wallet, you won't have to do. Now, if you haven't signed up and set up a Hyperliquid account, now is the time. Click on the Hyperliquid logo and set it up. I already have my account set up here. Now let's click Next. Now let's give our copy trader a name and select Hyperliquid. Mirrorly recognizes my wallet instantly. Now I have a few more steps before I can start. Firstly, I'm going to set up a referral code which will give me a discount on Hyperliquid. This step is purely optional, but I'll go for it. Can't say no to a good discount. I'll accept the terms on Hyperliquid. I'll click on Enter Code and put in the code from the last step, which is Mirrorly 2025. Click Enter, and I'm done with this step. Next up, I'll sign the builder fee. And finally, I'll view and sign Mirrorly as a broker. And now we're done. Let's click Next. And now we can start copy trading. By default, our copy trader will be disabled. While I'm in the Home section, I'll click on our newly created copy trader. I'll click on Parameters. Now, before we can enable our copy trader, we need to change its opening behavior. I'll click on Opening Behavior. Now you'll see a lot of options here. Don't be scared. For now, let's just change our initial size. I'll put mine at $100 for this demonstration. I'll also set my slippage to 1%. And limit my account size to $500. I'll save the changes. I'll now go back to my profile and click Enable. I'll now toggle this on and make sure I understand that I may incur losses, and click Enable Copy Trader. And here you go, you can now see that I have enabled my copy trader. Now we just need to find someone to copy. I'll go to the Leaders section and find someone to copy. Please keep in mind that I cannot personally recommend anyone, and this is purely a demonstration. I'll take a look at the white whale's stats, and I'll click on Copy Trade at the top. I'll select my copy trader and click Add Trader. And we're done. I'm now copying my first trader. Good luck and have fun.